There's any other way to go to Cincinnati, right?
You can't walk on the highway.
I'm sorry about that.
So you got any ID on you?
No, man.
You don't have any ID? Where you coming from?
Dayton.
You're coming from Dayton?
R E L A.
You have a social security number?
No.
You have anything on you that tells you who you are?
No, man.
What you got in your backpack?
Dirty clothes. Do it! Do
7 King 11, one shot, subject shot only. Subject shot only in the abdomen. Still has a knife, not following any orders.
Give me!
Get on the ground!
Just do it!
Get on the ground!
Do it! Do it!
Vehicle 90, have our units slow traffic down on the interstate to block that off. Continue squad to the scene.
He shot once in the abdomen.
711. We're staying 91. We're staying 91. Up to 7. You may want to put air care on standby.
Yeah, I saw him walking, so I called Lynn. I got out, he was talking to me, he's fine. I said, what you got in the bag? He said, oh, just dirty clothes. I said, okay, hey, let me go up here and pat you on the back. As soon as he went for that, he went straight for his waist and pulled out a knife.
81 affirmative at this time. What do you say? Shut it down.
Yeah, I was up a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna be. It happened right by my cruiser.
All right.
7K9, go ahead.
Fuck. Should I cut this? Huh? Should I cut it or keep going?
Department subject now in custody. Subject now in custody.
Hey, I'm Keenan.
Hey,
Rock
Keenan.
Springdale. Never met you, man. You alright, brother?
Yeah, okay.
Southbound 75. Continue to be shut down until further. 1333.
Let's take a minute to decompress, man.
Vehicle 90, can you give us an area
Take
one?
good care of you.
Area
What
one.
can I do for you? Get a drink or anything like that? Or
No, I'm just glad everybody got here. I appreciate it. He was. Yeah, that's where it started. I just came up because I was going to turn around. When I came up, I saw him walking. I was like, all right, let's kind of come over and see what's going on. So I pull over, I hit my lights, and I told McKee to, hey, come on up here, I'm going to talk to someone. Headed out over county, I'm talking to him. He's got no ID. He's coming from the Dayton area. I said, okay. So he had a backpack.
I don't want you to say too much. I'm happy to listen or whatever, but I'm sure there'll be some type of looking into this. You know what I mean? It might be best just to hold tight.
Okay.
And we'll just take care of you. I don't think you got anything to worry about, you know, but sometimes it's better just to hang tight for a minute. You're not hurt at all, though.
No, he didn't get a hold of me.
Yeah.
He pulled the knife and I backed up. Yes, sir. Thank you.
This is probably going to be our investigation since it happened in Evendale.
Let's switch over to area wide 1.
Okay.
Not sure. 411. 411.
How many times did you fire?
Once.
490 or 93.
One fire. One shot.
You sound fine on the radio, excited.
490 or 93. 90, I'll be there.
Take a walk up the road, or you good?
Nah, should.
11.
Let's keep it.
I don't know.
I need to ask my chief then.
Okay.
Unless somebody wants to ask him.
Area wide 1.
Ask him
Area
if
wide 1.
you should shut it, or?
Yeah, if I cut it off or just keep it going.
Area wide 1, correct, thanks. 7 King 81, can I get 90 on our city van? 7 King 90, switch to city van.
Keep it going.
Yeah.
4th and 58, switch to 1. 68 clear.
Jacked up on some adrenaline.
I think I'll start.
7 John 90. 7 John 90. Myself, 7 Young 12.
Take a walk up here for a second.
The collector, northbound 75.
I'm okay.
Brother, I got you.
Just got on full time in January. I've been there about 4.5 years part time.
Been a little bit on the newer side. I've been 17, almost 18 years.
I don't know what that means.
81, I'm back on primary. What area wide do we have?
How you doing, man?
Area wide 1.
I'm alright.
Oh, yeah.
I just need to stay and catch my breath now. I'm trying to replay everything in my head.
What an easy thing, right?
Alright, thanks, Eric.
We're seeing 91. We're seeing 91.
You know, take good care of him.
Per the squad members on the scene, you can have air care stand down.
So that's good news.
Good sign.
So you're standing down, air care.
Yeah. Just trying to calm down. I backed up. Lynn got there fast, so. I just want, yeah, that's why I was just talking to him and just wanted to pat him down. I was like, hey, just for officer safety. As soon as he turned to my cruiser, he went straight for his waist, and I backed up, tried to get him. Came at me with his knife, yeah. Camera's been running, still running. Well, I just reacted, and he charged. Fired one, and I backed up. Lane got there. I mean, I was out in front of traffic. Traffic wasn't stopped yet. There wasn't enough people. Keep going. Got it.